How about the 1957 Studebaker Golden Hawk hardtop? Tiara Gold and white over gold. This thing is maybe the finest Studebaker Golden Hawk I've ever seen.
It's a good one.
It really is.
I've seen it.
The guy did a frame off restored, rebuilt 289 cubic inch, 275 horse, supercharged V8, and the Flight-O-Matic. It sounds like you're running from something. Automatic transmission. Only 4,300 of these built.
And not all of them were gold, but this one is spectacular. And
even though it's called a Golden Hawk,
right.
They weren't all gold. That wasn't the name of it.
But you want a gold one.
Right.
You kind of want a gold one.
Yeah.
And they're just so unique. The body style is just wild. And
it's one of those ones that when you were younger in the hobby, you probably wouldn't have looked at or thought much about or thought that was anything cool. But the more you see that car and that particular model, and you really learn to appreciate the design on it. You learn to appreciate the rarity of it, and that it was fast.
And we've had our fair share of modded Studebakers.
Sure.
This one is pure and very,
they
very
just
nice.
had a question on Jeopardy just last night. It was a car category, and they had actually Packard made the Hawk first.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
Packard, Studebaker, and Packard were both the makers of the Hawk, and then I don't know what year that changed. Probably 56 or 58. I don't remember.
I think it was 58.
Yeah. But a wonderful car, and you certainly would be unique at any show or meet that you go to.
Unless you go to a Studebaker show.